Hi, this is Mark with Right Line Trading. This is our evening newsletter. Quick disclaimer that all signals and trading opportunities provided both orally, written, or electronically for educational demonstration purposes only. Everyone should understand that trading in the futures and forex markets involves substantial risk and that a person can lose a substantial amount of money. Always carefully consider your financial position prior to making a trade, and on any given trade, never risk more than you can afford to lose. Now, we're looking at approximately a 1 month chart of Blackberry stock. And quite frankly, there's not much notable here. It's trading in a fairly tight range. And you can see right off the right edge that it's sandwiched in between this support pivot here and two resistance pivots above. And really, one would really not take note of really any given significant trade that you might want to take on the stock. But then, out of the blue, we get an enormous amount of unusual options activity on Blackberry. And the strike price, varies a bit, given that really it's only a $10 stock and change. The strike price goes from $12 to $13.50 on the strike price date. Extends all the way out to January 2022. Other traders are taking very short-term positions. But bottom line is there's a tremendous amount of money being placed on the bullish option side on Blackberry. It all crossed the ticker this morning from 1026 through 1255. These trades kept hitting 100,000, 110,000, 31,000, 27,000, 250,000, 54,000. I mean, they go on and on and on. Unusual options activity is a very, very powerful signal that big institutional money believes that this stock is going to rise. Now, we don't know why. Now, if you remember, a couple of newsletters ago, a couple of days ago, I told you about Editas, the medicine, the small biotech company that does the gene splicing with variations of different CRISPR molecules. I told you that there was unusual options activity on it. I told you I really liked the company, and news came out. Editas rose in sympathy, and look at this move today. And I am absolutely sure that the insider buyers who were piling into Editas 24 to 36 hours before the news came out knew full well that a gene splicing company very similar to Editas was going to make a major breakthrough in this field. Editas actually went up further than the company itself that made the breakthrough. I just can't remember off the top of my head the name of the company, but it's really irrelevant. The important thing is to let you know that UOA is telling you important information. It's telling you that insiders know something that you don't know and that you should take note. If you would have bought Editas, you would have a home run trade sitting in your portfolio today. So we may move quickly into Blackberry, anticipating a nice move up based on unusual options activity. Everyone have a great evening, and I look forward to talking with you tomorrow.